guys, welcome back. It's Nima here. Today special for you. How you upgrade your PS5 storage. For this experiment you need PS5 4, 5 and SSD. It's gonna be very easy, guys. Easy, step by step. I will show you how to do it. Okay, for this, first of all, don't forget to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe if you're new one, and join the membership, guys, to continue work with this kind of stuff. Okay, let's start this experiment. First of all, I will remove this SSD down, and I will show you how to do it with your PS5. First of all, put down like this. First, what you have to do with PS5, you have to open it. Don't forget, I will show you 2 times how to do it. To do that, you have to find where your PS5. You see this place? CD, and this is the place where you have to how to open this one, and you have to do like this. And just easy push up this and little bit right, full to the right. You see how it's easy, guys? You wanna see again? Okay, I will show you again. It's a little bit. Okay, you shoot that. Little bit up and pull up. And there is your PS5, guys. Okay, I remove this edge. Okay, you see, PS5 is this. This is the place for upgrade your storage. This is the place where you have to do that. For that kind of stuff, that kind of job, you need a screwdriver like this, something like this, and you have to unscrew this screw. Okay, see, guys, it's very easy. Don't forget to leave the like and subscribe. Don't push this channel. I have to do this. Okay, and you remove this edge. Look at that, baby. Okay, this is the place where you put your SS drive storage capacity and everything. It's pretty easy, guys, to do that. Okay, now we go to SSD. For this, I'm using Samsung 918 Pro, 1 terabyte gigaspace storage. Okay, 1 terabyte. See, guys, Samsung and everything. And okay, this one is special for you guys. Again, storage. Okay, I open it. One moment, please. Okay, baby. This is the bed. This is the SSD. You see, guys? This is right. Storage, 1 terabyte. It's pretty decent because today games is 300, 400 gigabytes. What you need for your PlayStation 5, and you have to upgrade your PlayStation 5 for that kind of gaming and everything. And it's pretty easy. You see this place, it's entering place, and you do that like this. See this one, space and okay, guys, I forgot to say, you don't forget to use this one, this dancer, and put in the hole, and then you have to put your SSD, because you need to have space between plate and SSD. And now you screw. space for heating and everything. And now he's standing right as have to stay. Okay guys, I think it's very easy to use it. And now you can check down outside. You have space. There is no heating and everything. And that is that. Put the hedge on top. Screw that. Again to do that. Whoops. That is all you have to do. And you are ready for gaming, guys. And everything. I put back this plate. I'll show you how you do it. Whoops. That is that. You are ready for your gaming and everything. You see, guys, before you leave, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And wait for more videos to come. Thank you so much for your huge support. And see you in the next video.